Write a letter to your mother who is worried about your health. Examination hall, city, ABC, date. Dear mother, I received your kind letter a few days ago. I am glad to know that all of you are fine and enjoying good health. I could not reply you because I was running a temperature due to bad throat. It got worse on me and I could not even return my school for some days. I was under the treatment of school doctor. He advised me to take proper care for myself. He advised me to take proper medication and rest. As a famous proverb is, health is wealth. I am following his advice and feeling better now. I am sure that I will be all right in some days. I am also taking good care of my diet. I hope that after these assurances, you will stop worrying about me. I shall be with you during the holidays of Eid. Compliments to all, regards to elders, and love to youngsters. Your loving son, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.